Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now as voting for second and most decisive phase in Bengal is underway. We have a reaction coming in from Congress Party's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who has said it is impossible to expect elections in Bengal to be completely free of violence. However, he has appreciated deployment of CRPF in Bengal. He has said central forces are giving a sense of security to the voters. Listen in.
देखिए ये जो हो रहे हैं ये सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी की ओर से ये होंगे, ये हमारी उम्मीद तो थे, क्योंकि बंगाल में चुनाव हिंसा मुक्त होना ये मान लीजिए असंभव है। फिर भी इस बार चुनाव में लोग भारी संख्या में शिरकत कर रहे हैं। वजह यह है कि आम लोगों को लगता है कि इस बार चुनाव में हम बूथ बूथ पे जाके वोट डालने में, वोट देने में सक्षम होगी, क्योंकि भारी संख्या में सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस मतलब केंद्रीय बल की जो लोग हैं ये तैनात है। लोगों को भरोसा जरूर होते हैं।
Joining us on the broadcast right now is my colleague Hridita. Hridita, I remember during the first phase of polling also a similar comment was made by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. While TMC continues to raise questions on the centre for such a heavy deployment of security personnel.
Well, absolutely. In the first phase of election, in the very sensitive areas of Malda and Murshidabad, exactly from Adhir Chaudhary was holding his seat from, which is the Murshidabad area. We have seen in the Northern constituency how in Humayun Kabir's constituency violence had led out. However, in Behrampur, where Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was one of the candidates, nothing such like that had happened. So Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary had spoken about a very peaceful kind of voting that had happened. However, over the Malda Murshidabad spread or also the Kuch Bihar Alipurduar spread, we have heard various leaders making a statement that CRPF personnel are doing really great job, and due to them the peaceful kind of election has been taking place in Bengal. Also, given to the first phase of election, understand that in the history of Bengal such little political violence was seen in the first phase of election. Given to the year 2026, we are still talking about how less of peaceful could Bengal's election be, and the first phase of election was one such example to Bengal's election. At this point, when we are seeing the phase 2 elections, we have been hearing from the leaders of the Trinamool Congress repetitively that it is a point of instilling fear, psychosis